4.5 billion years ago, not yet a planet, a wound, a ball of molten rock, still glowing from the violence of its own birth. The surface exceeds 600 degrees. The atmosphere is carbon dioxide and sulfur. Nothing here could survive. Nothing is trying to. This is the Hadean, named for hell. It fits. For 300 million years, the solar system's leftover debris rains down without mercy. Every impact resets the surface, a world still being assembled. Then, water. Not the rain we know. The first. Each drop exploding into steam on contact with rock still hot from the Earth's interior. Within 100 million years, the first ocean, not blue, bronze, hot, mineral-laden, but water, vast and permanent. Everything that happens next happens here. Lightning strikes the sea, millions of bolts per day. Each one dissolves energy into the mineral-rich water. The chemistry is being driven toward complexity. The moon, still close, raises tides 10 times larger than today's. These pools fill and drain, again and again, concentrating chemistry with each cycle. Three kilometers below the surface, something else is happening. Heat from the Earth's interior is escaping through the ocean floor, driving chemistry that sunlight cannot reach. Hydrothermal vents, superheated water meeting cold sea. The chemical gradient here is the steepest on the planet. Chemistry loves a gradient. In the pores of the mineral surface, molecules are cycling, concentrating, reacting, nothing alive, but the boundary has never been closer. The first boundary, molecules arranging themselves into a sphere, separating inside from outside. A protocell, not alive, but no longer just chemistry. One becomes two. Each carries the same instructions. Each begins to grow. Life has discovered how to copy itself. It will not stop. A thin, dark film spreading outward across the seafloor. Unremarkable in appearance. For the first time, life is visible from the outside. These organisms split water for energy and release what they cannot use, oxygen, one bubble at a time. The future atmosphere begins its long accumulation. In the tidal shallows, life builds monuments without meaning to, stromatolites, layered domes of accumulated generations. Each layer, 1,000 years of living, the oldest visible record of life on Earth. 1 billion years of this. The tidal flat covered wall to wall with living structures. This carpet of organisms is changing the chemistry of the planet's atmosphere, one breath at a time. Life is not selective about conditions. In near-boiling acid water, it still finds a way. Where there is energy and liquid water, life uses both. 1 billion years have passed since the first ocean. This water is not the same water. It has been altered by the chemistry of everything that has ever lived in it. From orbit, the planet looks different. Cloud cover, an atmosphere that absorbs and reflects. At the limb of the world, a thin line of blue, oxygen accumulating for 2 billion years. The moon is unchanged. It carries every scar from its formation, perfectly preserved. Earth is not the same world. Something small and patient and relentless changed it from the inside. Sunlight reaches the mat. Each cell a solar engine, splitting water, releasing oxygen. One bubble rises, finds the surface, the first breath.